This video will go over how to install the Torklift C1211-30 SuperHitch Magnum on a 2015 to 2019 Chevrolet GMC 2500-3500. This hitch will increase the capabilities of your truck with a 3,000-pound tongue weight and 30,000-pound towing capacity. Proudly made in the USA with a lifetime warranty, this hitch is powder-coated and built to last. Starting off, remove or loosen the spare tire, then locate the rear spring perches. There will be 3 factory fasteners on the bottom side of the frame. Remove the factory hardware from holes 1, 3, and 4. The nut for hole 4 is welded to the frame and will not be removed. Secure the side plate to the frame by hand, tightening one M14 bolt through hole 4 and into the welded-on factory nut. Next, using photo 7.1 in your instruction book as a reference, assemble the M12 bolt, washers, plate washers, and galvanized pipe as demonstrated. Thread this assembly through the frame and into the truck bed where the factory bolt was removed. Next, take 1/2 inch bolt with one 1x2 plate washer and install it down through hole 3 from the inside of the frame. Repeat for hole 1. Secure these 2 bolts with one 1x2 plate washer, a lock washer, and a hex nut. Leave hand tight for now. Now place 1 star washer, followed by a 1x2 plate washer onto a 7/16 inch bolt. Attach this assembly to the supplied bolt fisher. Fish the bolt into the large hole on the back side of the spring perch and through hole 2. Next, raise one end of the double receiver cross tube and place the end into the square hole on one of the side plates. Repeat the process on the other side. Install 1/2 inch hex bolt through each of the 4 holes in the end of the double receiver cross tube and out through the side plates. The threads should be facing towards the outside of the vehicle. Hand tighten a nut and lock washer onto each of the bolts. Repeat on the opposite end of the cross tube. Lift the angle support bracket up to the leaf spring perch, with the open side facing towards the front of the truck. Secure to the previously installed bolt with 1 flat washer, 1 lock washer, and 1 nut. Place a bolt and flat washer through each of the 2 holes. Secure with a flat washer, lock washer, and hex nut. Leave hand tight at this time and repeat the step on the other side. Install the bumper support bracket as demonstrated. Secure the bracket with the 3/8 inch fasteners, 2 sets on each side. Finally, torque the parts in the following order. First, side plates to the frame. Second, double receiver cross tube to bumper support bracket. Third, double receiver cross tube to side plates. Fourth, angle support brackets to rear spring perch and side plate. Please refer to your instructions for the proper torque specifications. Your Torklift SuperHitch is now installed and ready to tow.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.